What motivated you to become a logistician?
As a highly organized and detail-oriented person, I was drawn to the logistics field because it requires a keen eye for detail and an ability to manage complex systems and processes.
What is your experience in coordinating and managing logistics for large-scale events or projects?
I have experience coordinating logistics for large-scale events, such as conferences and trade shows, as well as managing logistics for projects involving multiple teams and locations.
How do you ensure accuracy and efficiency in inventory management and tracking?
I ensure accuracy and efficiency in inventory management and tracking by implementing strong organizational systems and utilizing technology such as barcode scanning and inventory management software.
Can you describe your experience in managing transportation and delivery schedules?
I have experience managing transportation and delivery schedules for a variety of products and services, ensuring timely delivery while maximizing efficiency and minimizing costs.
What is your experience in using logistics software and technology, such as transportation management systems or inventory tracking software?
I am experienced in using a variety of logistics software and technology, including transportation management systems, inventory tracking software, and data analytics tools.
How do you handle unexpected issues or delays in the logistics process?
I handle unexpected issues or delays in the logistics process by proactively identifying potential issues and developing contingency plans, as well as maintaining open lines of communication with all parties involved in the logistics process.
Can you describe your experience in managing logistics budgets and expenses?
I have experience managing logistics budgets and expenses, tracking costs, and identifying areas for cost savings while still ensuring the highest level of service and quality.
What is your experience in international logistics and managing customs and regulations?
I have extensive experience in international logistics, managing customs and regulations, and ensuring compliance with international trade laws and regulations.
How do you manage and coordinate logistics for multiple locations or facilities?
I manage and coordinate logistics for multiple locations or facilities by utilizing strong project management skills, effective communication, and a comprehensive understanding of the logistics process from start to finish.
Can you describe a time when you had to develop and implement new logistics strategies or procedures?
As a logistician for a global company, I led the implementation of a new transportation management system that improved on-time delivery rates by 20%. This involved analyzing transportation data, developing new processes, and training employees on the new system.
What is your experience in managing and coordinating with third-party logistics providers?
I have extensive experience working with third-party logistics providers to manage inventory, transportation, and warehousing. I am familiar with negotiating contracts, monitoring performance, and ensuring compliance with service-level agreements.
How do you ensure compliance with safety and security regulations in logistics operations?
I ensure compliance with safety and security regulations by implementing standard operating procedures, conducting regular audits, and providing ongoing training to logistics team members. I also maintain open communication with regulatory agencies and stay up to date on industry regulations.
Can you describe your experience in managing and coordinating the logistics for product launches or promotional events?
As a logistician for a consumer goods company, I managed the logistics for several product launches and promotional events. This involved coordinating with multiple departments, vendors, and suppliers to ensure on-time delivery and proper placement of promotional materials.
What is your experience in managing and coordinating reverse logistics operations, such as product returns or recycling?
I have managed and coordinated reverse logistics operations for a variety of products, including electronics and medical equipment. This involved developing and implementing processes for product returns, repairs, and recycling, as well as coordinating with vendors and suppliers to ensure efficient and cost-effective operations.
How do you handle and resolve conflicts or disagreements with logistics team members or other departments?
I handle conflicts by listening to all parties involved, gathering information, and working collaboratively to find a solution that is mutually beneficial. I also maintain open and honest communication and encourage feedback to prevent future conflicts.
Can you describe a time when you had to negotiate logistics contracts or agreements with vendors or suppliers?
As a logistician for a retail company, I negotiated a new transportation contract with a major carrier that resulted in significant cost savings. This involved analyzing transportation data, understanding carrier pricing models, and developing a negotiating strategy.
What is your experience in managing and coordinating the logistics for emergency response or disaster relief operations?
I have managed and coordinated logistics operations for several emergency response and disaster relief efforts, including hurricanes, earthquakes, and wildfires. This involved working with government agencies, NGOs, and other stakeholders to provide essential supplies and services to affected areas.
How do you ensure effective communication and collaboration between logistics team members and other departments or stakeholders?
I ensure effective communication and collaboration by establishing clear communication channels, providing regular updates, and involving all stakeholders in decision-making processes. I also encourage feedback and promote a culture of transparency and accountability.
Can you describe your experience in managing and coordinating logistics for hazardous materials or dangerous goods?
I have experience in managing and coordinating logistics for hazardous materials and dangerous goods by ensuring compliance with safety regulations, identifying and addressing potential hazards, and coordinating with relevant stakeholders such as regulatory agencies and emergency responders.
What is your experience in managing and coordinating logistics for military operations or government agencies?
I have experience in managing and coordinating logistics for military operations and government agencies by ensuring timely and accurate delivery of goods and services, coordinating with multiple stakeholders, and maintaining compliance with relevant regulations and policies.
How do you stay up to date with industry regulations and best practices in logistics?
I stay up to date with industry regulations and best practices in logistics by attending industry conferences, workshops, and seminars, and regularly networking with industry professionals and organizations.
Can you describe a time when you had to develop and implement sustainability or eco-friendly logistics strategies?
In my previous role, I developed and implemented sustainability and eco-friendly logistics strategies by identifying areas of improvement, implementing green practices such as reducing carbon emissions and waste, and collaborating with suppliers and partners to ensure sustainable sourcing and delivery practices.
What is your experience in managing and coordinating logistics for large-scale manufacturing or production facilities?
I have experience in managing and coordinating logistics for large-scale manufacturing or production facilities by ensuring timely and efficient delivery of raw materials, coordinating production schedules with logistics operations, and optimizing supply chain efficiency to reduce costs.
How do you ensure accuracy and compliance in documentation and record keeping for logistics operations?
I ensure accuracy and compliance in documentation and record keeping for logistics operations by implementing standardized procedures, using digital platforms for real-time tracking and reporting, and regularly conducting audits and reviews to ensure data integrity.
Can you describe a time when you had to manage and coordinate logistics for a product recall or safety alert?
In a previous role, I managed and coordinated logistics for a product recall by collaborating with stakeholders to ensure timely and accurate communication, coordinating with suppliers and partners to identify affected products, and developing a comprehensive plan for product retrieval and disposal.
Why is it worth subscribing to our YouTube channel?
By subscribing to our YouTube channel, You will have access to a wealth of knowledge and insights about automation testing from industry experts, which can help you stay ahead of the curve in your career.